Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Air for Lite using application. You have to start by open SOUNDPEATS application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see the same menu as I have, this one. Now, right here at the right bottom we have a button Reset. We need to click on it. Then click Reset and Sure. Now we should wait just a bit. Here we go. Now we can hide the settings and the application, and let's go to the settings to remove and add these earbuds. So settings, Bluetooth for connected devices if you have Android. And right here we need to click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. If you have Android, click Pair New Device, and after a factory reset these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so we don't need to use connectional button, we can just tap on it at the device list. And if you have Android, also click Pair after you tap on it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!